Hi everyone, I am your host for session number 7 at Circle of Legends. In this session we are going to discuss about art of giving, how we can give someone and what we can give. So, definitely this session is not about giving money. This session is giving something precious to others. So let's see what are those things. First thing is time. Ironically, we give our time to television, to Facebook, to social media and WhatsApp. But here Winston Churchill says something: we make living by what we get, in terms of salary, in terms of compliments, or in terms of the blessings from the boss. But we make a life by what we give, by what we give in terms of compliments, by giving smiles. So if we want to make our life, we need to have a choice. I'll give my time in an appropriate way to an appropriate person. The second aspect is we can give is extend a helping hand. So if you are at a top, or if you are having or possessing some knowledge and somebody is looking for a help, grab his hand and take him along with you. You never know, that person will remember you or he may forget you, but it will give you some inner satisfaction. Just like we say that even a street dog remembers if you feed him regularly. So we are human beings. If we help someone, there are high chances that he will remember. And even if he forgets, it's up to us, or it's our inner conscience will help us to remember that we have done something good. The another aspect of giving is giving respect. Many times, rather than helping others, we give them disrespect, and that can be a cause of major conflict between us, and it causes a problem. So rather than giving, we take. So if we make a habit of giving respect to a smallest of small person, in return definitely you will get a respect from him or her. Even if you smile at the security guard in your office, there is nothing to lose, but you will see a difference in his or her attitude when you meet them in your daily life. The another aspect is friendship. So in friendship we need to forget what we are giving to our friend, but definitely we remember what we receive from the person. If the receiving from the person is a motivation or a correction or even criticism, if a friend corrects us, that's obviously better than someone who is not our friend and gives us as an advice. So it's always great to be in a relationship with the friends, and this is a great time to invest in friendship. If we can see in this COVID situation, we have free time. Many of us are saying that I am bored inside the house, what shall I do? But while getting bored, we are spending 2 hours on news, 2 to 3 hours on the phone calls with people just discussing about what is happening in COVID, or else reading the WhatsApp forwards and giving our experts advice to others. We have enough of COVID messages, and some of them are really fake. So is it worth giving attention to a WhatsApp crap or WhatsApp garbage which has been shared with us? Rather, why don't we spend time with our friends, recall our old friends from our alumni, and we can build the relationship from where we have left. Another thing is attention. So what we can give is we can lend our ears to someone. We can pay attention to attention. And by giving our wholehearted attention to someone, definitely we can take. So this life is give and take. If you give attention and listen carefully by heart, definitely you are going to get the attention from that person. Give unconditionally. So our great saints or sages have said, just like Buddha has said over here, that be an example. Show kindness to unkind people. Forget people who don't deserve it. Love unconditionally. Your actions always reflect who you are, and it's very well said. We will become who we are based on our action. At the last, we have done idea exchange, and several of the people who've been part of the talk, based on their availability and the surrounding noise, they have given an audio bite and suggestions on audio, or they have written in the chat box and given us very insightful ideas. That includes Chetan, Beatrice, Vijay, Chandra, to name a few, and definitely would encourage the idea exchange in future sessions. Then we have done an activity to write the suggestions with the hashtag the Circle of Legends in LinkedIn, and I always encourage people those who are interested in our activity to do posting with the Circle of Legends while they are posting their thought process, as well as subscribe or follow to the hashtags the Circle of Legends to make our activity felt or to make our impact felt on the virtual space. Thanks a lot, and hope you will join our next sessions.